Yeah, so what I've got here is the artwork that I'm working on for this pedal. So I've started, you've got to sort of start off and decide, well, how big is this thing going to be? You know, it can't be too big, it can't take up half of someone's pedal board. So I've sort of designed it so it'll fit within a 300mm deep pedal board, which, you know, might be 600, 700 wide. So this will be about sort of 250 by, I don't know, 120 wide, and that gives you plenty of room to have some leads going over the top and underneath. The plan is to make this so that you don't have to have any extra leads leaving your pedal board. You've got a power coming in for your pedals, and you've got your A-B guitars coming in, and then all of your outputs to the amp all leave from the same side. So you don't have any extra leads crossing over things or leaving two sides of a board. That's the plan anyway. And so what I've got going on here is, this is a tricky bit, is the initial layout. You've got to decide, well, where's all of my jack sockets going to go, and what type am I going to use, and what's their footprint, and what kind of switching do I need? And so you're trying to find parts, and then you start building up the individual modules. And so here I've got the preamp, and I've only just plonked this inside. I've been designing them on the outside of the box over here, and then I plonk them in. That's the little preamp board there, where your guitar can either be boosted or cut in channel A. And over here I've got the distributor, or the splitter, that splits the guitar tone into 4 equal signals. And then over here I've got the stereo return mixer, which mixes the 2 left and rights to give you just one set of left and right outputs with a blended signal. That's the main analog work that needs to be done. After I've done that, I've then got to work out all the routing for the relays. It's these guys here, those are relays, and all the switching on these sockets. Here we've got a through, so if you've got anything outside the pedal board that you want to connect in, there's 2 direct lines going straight through there, through these lines here. And that's, once again, just one of those things to stop you having so many leads going everywhere. It's sort of a tidy box. And right at the top is going to be where the power supply module is, where the mains come in. And somewhere in here will be the control module, which will be the bit that takes the control signals from the foot switches and gives you your functionality for selecting your outputs and your inputs. So there's a bit of work to go yet, but I'll keep you posted on how we go.